special, and boy is this bike special. Not only does it have a 107 Milwaukee 8 single cam motor, but this particular bike has the Boss paint set. It's a numbered paint set out of 150. This particular bike has speakers in the bags, giving you that surround sound feel. Super helpful, you can hear it incredibly well on the road. This bike we also put the LED floorboards, LEDs all throughout the inside of the bike, LEDs in the speakers. This bike lights up like a Christmas tree. It's got a control module as well, that way you can control the color, the speed of the flashing, if you want it to flash or fade or be solid. You have all those awesome options with this particular bike. With the counterbalance, rubber mounted Milwaukee 8 107 motor, you get plenty of torque, plenty of power to keep up with all your friends, get out of the way of traffic, whatever your needs are, this bike fits the bill. It handles like a dream. You can turn this thing on a dime. It is absolutely wonderful. If you've never ridden one, you've got to come in and take a test ride with me. My name is Graham here at Brandon Harley-Davidson. Anything you need on this bike, we can make it happen. It is an awesome bike. Follows the Ford paint set, so it's a tribute to Ford Boss paint sets for those Mustangs. If you happen to have one, this would look absolutely wonderful next to it in the garage.